Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Do you know that risk assessment is not just about predicting the future but also preparing for it? In the unpredictable world of business, the ability to assess the risk can be differentiated between the success and failure. Today, we are going to deep dive into the fundamentals of risk assessment and how it can be effectively implemented in your business. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey to risk enlightenment. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the fundamentals of risk assessment. To begin with, let us understand what risk assessment is. It is essentially a process that helps you identify, analyze, and evaluate potential risks that could negatively impact your business objectives. Well, a sound risk assessment acts as a compass, guiding you toward informed decisions and robust strategies. 2. The importance of conducting a risk assessment in business. The purpose of risk assessment is not to create an all-doomsday one-time scenario. Instead, it helps you foresee potential challenges and prepare for them, thus safeguarding your business from unexpected pitfalls. 3. Key steps involved in the risk assessment process. Risk assessment is not as daunting as it seems. It involves a few key steps: identifying potential risks, analyzing their possible impacts, evaluating the risk levels, and finally, devising strategies to mitigate them. Remember, risk assessment is not just a one-time activity, but rather an ongoing process. 4. Different approaches and techniques used in risk assessment. The beauty of risk assessment lies in its flexibility. Depending on the size and nature of your business, a variety of approaches and techniques can be used. These could range from simple brainstorming sessions to complex data analysis techniques. 5. Identifying potential risks. The first step in risk assessment. The first and arguably the most crucial step in risk assessment is identifying potential risks. This could be anything from market fluctuations and legal regulations to technological changes and natural disasters. 6. Evaluating and analyzing risks. How to determine business vulnerabilities. After identification comes evaluation and analysis. It is important to understand not just the nature of the risk but also its potential impact on your business. This helps in determining your business vulnerabilities and preparing for them. 7. Risk treatment. Methods for mitigating and managing risks. Lastly, we need to treat the risks we've identified and analyzed. This involves the development of strategies to mitigate and manage these risks. It could be anything from diversifying your investments, securing insurance, or even outsourcing certain business functions. 8. The role of risk monitoring and review in effective risk management. Risk treatment is not the end. To ensure effective risk management, it is crucial to continuously monitor and review the implemented strategies. This ensures that your business is always prepared, come what may. 9. Practical tips for implementing a successful risk assessment strategy. Planning and executing a successful risk assessment strategy can be challenging, especially if you're new to the process. List of practical tips that will guide you on your journey are: involve the entire team, prioritize your risks, regularly update your risk assessment. Use a suitable risk assessment tool, communicate your risk management plan and learn from previous mistakes. 10. Case studies in risk assessment. Real-world applications and lessons learned. Exploring real-life examples can often provide the best understanding of complex processes like risk assessment. Case Study 1: The Deepwater Horizon oil spill. In 2010, BP's Deepwater Horizon oil rig exploded, leading to one of the largest oil spills in history. Case Study 2: Toyota's recall crisis. In 2009, Toyota had to recall millions of vehicles due to faulty accelerator pedals. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button, share it with your peers, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business tips and strategies.